Hi everyone!
Hey!
We are going to the house right now for Greek Sync practice.
Woo!
Get hype!
I'm hype.
Okay. And we both had really good and productive Fridays. I went to my bank and I did laundry and homework.
I went to class. I called my mom and then I did homework and then I fell asleep.
Okay guys, we need to make this really fast because it's raining, my phone can't get wet. But basically we went to practice and it was really awesome. We learned a lot of new dance
but
moves.
like I'm really bad at dancing and also my hair thing like randomly fell out.
Okay, we'll update you later, bye!
Wait, I'll just decide. Wait, I'm not that person though, I'm on the next part.
Sneak peek of the dance. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna go now to a place and play some board games.
Yep.
And
one does on a Friday night.
yeah.
Okay, if the board games is done, we'll just go to the movie.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna go to a
Oh,
movie.
yeah, doesn't it start at 9?
And then we're gonna have a
so,
spend the
we'll
night.
only be there.
So we got like a really packed
Yeah,
night.
man.
Mary Rose planned everything.
Oh, it's right here! Did no one see that? Okay, whatever. Let's go.
Okay, off we go to play board games.
Alright, so update. We tried to find this board game club. It's empty. So I don't know what we're gonna do. But we'll see. Keep you
Hey
updated.
guys, so I really want to go to this board game club, but these people don't want to go to it because they're scared of challenging their minds. So like, what the heck? You all need to comment below and tell them to go to the board game club. And also, it's only boys, so like they can both like totally pull, and it's Friday night, so they're not like super like drunk fat boys, so that's like really good. So, but they don't want to go to it, and I'm like, this is such an opportunity God has literally laid right in front of us, and they don't want to do it. So like, I don't understand. Okay, bye guys, I'll update you.
So we're still like debating the boarding club and we just ran outside and came back because Mary Rose thought there was a fire drill. These alarms keep going off.
Tell them that we spied on them.
Oh yeah, we spied on the board game people to see what games they had. Hopefully more guys come. Hey, so the board game night didn't work out. And then we just saw this movie called Girls Trip. This was so weird. We didn't even finish it. It was really bad.
It wasn't really bad, it was just not really my style.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have...
It's only like not even 11, but we're like all dead.
Yeah.